Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Gusto Benefits Administration Review My Usage Experience. Gusto Benefits Administration Review My Usage Experience offers a streamlined way for small and medium-sized businesses to manage employee benefits. It's aimed at HR professionals and business owners who want a simpler, more efficient system for handling everything from enrollment to compliance. Key features likely include online portals for employees, automated processes, and reporting tools. Their website provides details on specific offerings. Their website highlights ease of use and a focus on compliance. They emphasize transparent pricing, no hidden fees are mentioned, although specific pricing details require visiting their site. They boast a user-friendly interface designed to simplify benefits administration. Gusto's approach seems to center around automating many of the time-consuming tasks associated with managing employee benefits. Availability is for businesses in the US, specifics are on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Gusto Benefits Administration Review My Usage Experience. Setting up the system was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well guided, and I was able to input all my employee data within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I particularly appreciated the clear dashboard that gave me a quick overview of enrollment status, upcoming deadlines, and cost breakdowns. The reporting features were also excellent. Generating customized reports on benefit usage was a breeze. The system was generally very responsive and reliable. I had a quick question about COBRA compliance and their support responded within a day via email, providing a helpful and informative response. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated reminders for open enrollment and other crucial deadlines. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, although this wasn't a major inconvenience. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Gusto's benefits administration system. It significantly streamlined our processes and reduced the administrative burden. That's my overview of Gusto Benefits Administration Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.